Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: an Azure subscription, a Databricks workspace, and an Azure Data Factory instance. Create a service principal and grant it contributor or a least privilege RBAC role on the Databricks workspace so ADF can authenticate. This is safer than using a user token. Once done, generate a Databricks personal access token and note the workspace URL. Next, prepare a running cluster or job cluster and verify network settings so ADF can reach Databricks endpoints. Now you configure ADF. Open Author in Azure Data Factory and create a new linked service for Databricks using the service principal or token authentication. Enter the workspace URL, token or client ID/secret, tenant ID, and select the correct workspace resource. This is where ADF will submit jobs. Define whether to use an existing interactive cluster or a new job cluster, picking node sizes and tags. Validate the connection, save, and then add a Databricks notebook or JAR. Finish by publishing your factory and triggering the pipeline run. You monitor progress in ADF Monitor and then inspect Databricks job runs and driver/executor logs for details. This reveals failures or slow stages. If the run fails, first confirm token validity, service principal permissions, and that the cluster is reachable from ADF network security groups, firewall, or private link. When permissions and network are correct, retry the job. Incremental retries and smaller test notebooks speed debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.